Welcome on the video, How to Use Proengin Connect. Once the software has been installed, launch the application. Ensure that your device is properly connected to your computer before starting the software. You can then select the COM port associated with your device to access its details. Please note that the software is compatible with all devices except the AP2C. Once connected, you will be redirected to the home page. There, you can view general information related to your device, including key dates, such as manufacturing date or last maintenance, the current device status, and the chemical chart displayed on a logarithmic scale. Please note that real-time detection and live chart visualization are only available with the Real-Time Monitoring Access license. On the left-hand side of the screen, the pause button allows you to temporarily freeze the display without stopping detection. Navigation controls enable you to move backward through recorded data, and zoom tools allow you to adjust the level of detail. In the Tools tab, you can display thresholds for each chemical element, show the legend, and access precise values at a specific point in time. You will also find a recording function with export options in PNG, CSV, or JSON formats. In the Settings tab, you can configure the chart by adjusting the axes for improved precision, modifying the display format, or switching to a darker background for better readability. By clicking on the 3-bar icon in the top left corner, you can open the side menu and access the Data Logging tab. Here, you will find a calendar view showing the history of detections when the device was active. You can export this data to analyze specific periods. Exported files are saved in a predefined location, accessible via the Open Data Log folder button. These files include both event-based daily data and detailed detection data. In the Maintenance section, you will find the detector status, operating data, maintenance indicators, and failure indicators. A diagnostic report is also available for download at any time. However, it is recommended to wait approximately 10 minutes to allow the device to stabilize. This report provides a comprehensive summary of all essential information required for maintaining your detector. It can be opened as a PDF in the same folder as the data logs, which is also accessible from the Settings tab. You will find the detector information, its status, the environment, information over the sensors, and further information of your equipment. Finally, you can customize the interface by selecting a theme, light or dark mode, changing the language, and running audio tests to ensure proper sound functionality. To return to the home page, simply click on the home icon. You are now ready to use the software.